So, this is V from Q Kitchen and Beyond, and I have heard about this Zapp's potato chips, New Orleans style, kettle style voodoo potato chips. And I believe it was my girl over at 50 Shades of Mom, Kira, or, yeah, I'm fairly certain it was Kira. But, I'd never seen them until today. I went into Fred Meyer's, and there they were. Zapp's potato chips. New Orleans Kettle Style Voodoo Potato Chips. So we're going to try this. So, I just opened the bag. And it smells really good. So I'm going to try one of these. And these are kettle chips. So they're a little crunchier than regular chips. See how nice that looks? I don't know what I'm about to get myself into. Kind of cheesy. Really crunchy. They got almost like a, not really spicy, just a little bit of a kick to it. But they're really good. So, I like these. Now, if you don't have a Fred Meyer's, you probably have a Kroger's. And it's Zapp's New Orleans Kettle Style Voodoo Potato Chips. I'm not really sure why they're called Voodoo. But they taste really good. So, y'all go out and find yourselves a bag. Y'all gotta try these. They're really good. And I'll see y'all later. I'm gonna finish this bag. Not the whole bag. Just a little bit. Y'all have a good night.